the charging, one for the pen drive.
Okay,
This
okay,
is for the charging.
Both are not for charging.
No. This is for the charging. This is for the pen drive.
Okay.
These three are the indicators, not the buttons. As I told, for safety, airbag is on. That's why this indication is on. By mistake, somebody switches off, this indication will be on, and you will get an alert also.
Okay.
This is this seat belt warning light.
Okay.
Hazard light.
Okay.
One touch rear camera. Now you want to take a picture, click on this, photo will be captured, it will be saved in the gallery. That I will show you where it is.
But you know, in this, when I do like the
Reverse,
reverse gear, I mean, it always show this smaller screen. I want, I mean, and every time I have to, you know, press this to bigger.
Yes.
Can it come by default the bigger?
No, sir. That's what most of the option they are given manually, because sometimes some people likes this one, some people likes bigger one. So
I mean, so that we don't have to change every time. We can do this setting at one place.
Sir.
And
right now you should do manually.
Okay.
This is the screensaver. When you enable, after some time this will become black screen with Mahindra symbol, or else this screen will be like that only.
Okay.
This is nothing but dummy.
Okay, so only these two are, I mean, these three are the buttons, yes. And rest all, I mean, these three are
indications.
Fixed. Yeah, these three are just the indication, not the buttons.
Yes.
And this is just a dummy.
These are the AC control. Inner circulation should be always on for better cooling.
Okay.
For switching on the AC, first always on the fan, then on the AC. While switching off, it's reverse. First switch off the AC, then off the fan, then only your vehicle battery life will be good.
Okay.
Rear AC not for the second row, it for the last row. When nobody is there, do not switch it on this also.
Okay.
Max AC, immediate cooling with high pressure.
So if I have to change these settings.
Here, mode you can see.
Oh,
here the mode. Front defogger, rear defogger. Rainy season you will be using.
Oh, rainy season, if any fog
from
comes.
This one for the front, this one for the back side.
Okay, I mean for that I no need to put any AC or anything, just I have to put this one.
Yes, automatically.
And it will automatically. Yes. And this one is the back one.
Yes. Dual should be used only when required. Only to whom? Only to this passenger this dual is applicable.
Oh.
For example, I am sitting here. Yes. I am not keeping well. For me, AC air is not comfortable. I will switch it on. I will have my own temperature. Now I will get hotter. External will get the cold air. Okay. Or else switch off whole vehicle. You can control from here only.
But if let's say this is on,
yes.
This is off, then in that case.
Same pressure, same everywhere,
okay,
same.
Same will be everywhere.
Yes.
But if you just choose it and make it
on, it will, because while switching on, what happens? Another compressor will on. Your fuel efficiency will go down.
Oh, okay.
Because that's what I told. When you record, make it off, or else you can control from here only.
And how to test? I mean, can we set the temperature also?
Yeah, you can see rotate like this. You can see temperature.
This will set the maximum temperature, or what?
Like you want full low cooling or high heating?
Yeah, somewhere in between.
Yeah, this would be better. 21.5.
And this filter?
That is inner. That is cabin filter.
Okay.
So to show is the cabin filter is smart filter. That depends for the service.
It will automatic be on or off or do?
No. You need not do. People telling that you have inside there is a smart air filter. If any clogging is there, it will give alert like that.
Okay.
So this is the main menu. First one is the entertainment part, which you will be using. This is for the service center. In Bangalore, which are the station already preset. Just click. And through Bluetooth, you can pair up to 7 to 8 mobiles. But at a time, only one phone will be connected. You can see whose phone is connected.
Can we go back again over there? Okay. First, this is only.
First service
this is for service center, not for us.
No, this is only for.
Okay. This is for us. So okay. This is
radio. As I told, through Bluetooth you can pair up to 7 to 8 mobiles, but at a time only one phone will be connected. Whose phone is connected, that phone name will be visible here.
So mine was not able to connect. He was.
I will connect it. Navigation.
Yeah.
You should type, then only it will reflect over there. Before that, there is a SIM inside, that is called eSIM. You can see car network signal. This is GPS satellite. How you searching phone? You can type here also.
So that SIM over there, will there be internet and everything over there?
So that depends upon the location, sir. Because in your mobile.
No. I mean, let's say because that SIM. I mean, I am not charging or anything for now or.
No. While taking the vehicle, it is added that also 1 year subscription is there
for that SIM.
After that, you should renew it. That too, they are tied up with the Adrenox. So once you renew the Adrenox, automatically it will get recharged.
Okay.
So you need not worry. So here nearby, restaurant, hotel, 10 km radius, what and all, everything it will come. So anything if you want, you can select, give start, map will come over there, you can use the map, here you can play the music.
Okay, this is the
Map, navigation.
Can we go back there? It was showing the home
Yes,
or
search.
other thing.
That's
Okay, can we set this as a home?
Yeah, you can set it. Set it.
Okay.
Once you go somewhere, there you should click on this, it will come to here.
Okay.
Application or pull up menu, both are same. Once you click, this menu will come.
Okay.
So through pen drive, if you want to see any pictures or videos, you should go to the gallery. You can watch videos and photos, but to watch videos, vehicle should be on standby position, then only you can watch videos. When the vehicle is moving, video will convert to audio. There will be no video playing while driving as per government safety norms.
Not here. I mean, if any other device anywhere, but
Here it is
on
not.
on this screen, no
It is
video
not.
will be played while driving.
My drive means inbuilt memory. Inbuilt memory just 1.9 GB, but you can increase up to 32 GB. For that, you have to contact service center.
So they will install some
Yes.
SD card,
Yes, we cannot. You should pay and purchase. If you give, they will install it.
or we can give our own SD card.
That I am not sure, sir. You just take it. If that card is compatible, you can fix it. That also,
Okay.
or else you can purchase and you can give. You can see images capture right now. What we capture, that also is there. So many images are there. Here you can see the images. Same thing. If you want to copy or delete, go to pull up menu. You should go to the My Drive Manager. You can see copy from USB, or if you do not, you can select delete. You can delete also. You are going for a long drive. Suddenly vehicle got breakdown. No need to worry. You have a pull down menu. You can see roadside assistant. Click on this. 5 seconds. Alert will go to Mahindra. Immediately they will give call and they will arrange for the roadside assistance also.
Okay.
Same thing, you have a wallet mode to lock the screen. Default password 1234. Okay, it will ask to set a pin, but for self driving it is not advisable. Why means once you set a pin, every time when you have to access it will be keep on asking the pin number, how you lock the mobile screen
then
like that.
while driving, it is not possible.
That's
to
what it's not advisable.
Yes.
Settings, complete settings menu. While touching the screen there was a touch sound tuck tuck. If you do not, you can make it off also here.
Let it be there.
This is a volume control. When you click on this browser, this will convert to volume. Like joystick, press enter.
Okay.
General, always it should be in UK, do not click in US. Both display brightness you can control from here. If red is there also, you can see reduce, increase.
Okay.
As per your visibility, you can have the brightness also increase and decrease. As I told, sim is there, synchronize the date and time. If you do not, you can set your date and time also.
Okay.
Audio. Here you can see things to try. So much is there. Slowly you can figure it out step by step.
Okay.
For example, Alexa, open sunroof.
Okay.
Here another option is there, hands free. This option is used especially when kids are there. What happens? They will be keep on shouting.
1 second. Let's say I just want to open
No,
the
no.
lower, not the upper one.
Once you give voice command, both will open. That you should do manually.
Okay. So let's say if I have to close the glass manually,
Okay.
but not the.
You should do manually. That I will
How?
explain you. That is
Okay.
different last. So here another option, hands free. This option is used especially when kids are there. What happens? They'll be keep on shouting. They'll be keep on playing while driving. Lot of disturbance. At the time you can make it off. Now whoever tell Alexa, it does not respond. Alexa, it does not respond. But you can have a control with this voice command. One time you should press without telling Alexa, just command you should give.
Alexa, close this and.
Close sunroof.
I'm not quite sure how.
Close sunroof.
Okay.
You should just give the command, not Alexa.
Right.
With this on, you should give the command. Like
Okay.
that.
Yeah,
And same one press for Alexa, long press for Google or Siri. Which phone is connected, it will go to that one. That I will show afterwards.
Okay.
I'll make it on. If you want, you can make it on.
So this will. Okay.
That's it. Inside there, hands free.
Alexa, hands free. Okay.
There you should make it on. And as I told, through Bluetooth you can pair up to 7 to 8 mobiles. You can see which are the. Your mobile already paired, no sir.
Yeah,
Switch
but
on the
let's
Bluetooth.
say if I'm trying to connect the
Yeah,
Android
you just
Auto.
switch on the Bluetooth. Because previously it's got connected. It's got connected.
So if any call will
Yeah,
come?
everything it will come. You can see your phone screen will come here. It is getting connected. Bluetooth is already there. Android Auto.
I have Android 11, and and on the net I was checking, if you have Android 6 or above, then Android Auto should work.
Yes, it will okay.
But that day when they
because
were
here
giving,
you should have update once again.
there is no separate. Uh, the top is-
You can reinstall like that. You should do.
because I have not installed it. It is like company.
Default,
I mean that
company,
yeah,
all the mobiles will
yeah,
be there.
default.
Because some of the what happened, that app is there, right? App to app mobile brand. See, for example, one of customer, he has top and foldable Samsung.
Okay.
That was not allowing. His wife was Samsung only, Galaxy. That mobile saw, because that depends upon some
Because
third
this another one Xiaomi. My friend is having the Xiaomi. His mobile was connecting
That's
Android
what, sir,
Auto,
that's
but
the-
not mine one.
That's what depends upon the mobile connectivity. Or you should update whenever you go to near to service center. There check with any software update is there. Because
Okay.
there that person they can know that this software related and all.
Okay.
Because as per my knowledge, that because see my mobile.
But if any call will come,
You will
then
get, you will get call, music and all you can play.
Can you just call me?
Yeah, you can. You will get a call definitely. While unlocking in remote, all the doors were open, right? You
Yes.
can see. You asked right that seat coming back. You
Yeah.
can see it is off. Both should be on. From now on also, now you press unlock button, only the driver's door will open. Rest and all will be locked because for your safety. When you drive alone, only one door is enough. Rest and all will be locked. But along with your family, friends are there. Same button, another time you should click, all the doors will open. That I will show you outside.
Okay, 1 second. Can you explain it?
This I will explain you outside. You don't worry, sir. And once you start the engine,
1 second. Back. Okay, okay. Selective unlock
Lock.
and okay.
seat entry exit. You told you asked right backside.
Yes.
That's what. And once you start the engine, default DRL light is on. In this vehicle, if you don't know, you can make it off also.
Let it on.
No,
Let
it,
it, yes.
it looks good. One second. Here AC will come. Small water bottle juice you can take. If you don't know, you can close it. Water bottle juice, tin, anything you can take. It will be very cheap.
Okay. Once we on the AC.
You see, there also it will come.
Okay,
If
there
you don't know, you can close it there also.
Okay.
These two are the reading lamps. Ambulance are the mood light.
Okay.
Here you can see red color button inside. In case of emergency, to call 108 ambulance.
Oh, ambulance.
Yes, this road assistance for the vehicle. This is for the person.
Oh, okay.
Sunroof, you asked right. Soft touch, only curtain will open. Glass will be like that. Hard press, both will open.
Okay.
Anywhere you can stop. Both as a touch sensor. If anybody keeps hands, it will touch and it will go back. Both as a touch sensor.
This is the hard. Okay, no, this is just a cloth.
Yes, yes, sir. Curtain,
So,
curtain.
okay, just a curtain.
Yes.
And what about this glass? Is it heavy enough?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, if anything falls from the top or anything.
Sir, it has certain thrust capacity.
Okay.
Above that, if falls any glass, it should break, sir.
Okay.
Okay, that's what. Soft touch, only curtain will open. Hard press, both will open. Little press. Now only this will open. We can enjoy the view. Moon roof.
Okay.
Hard press, both will open. You can see. Full lost it will go. Again, while closing, hard press. Press it. It will get closed. Now close that window, sir. Just off the vehicle. Get the key and the mobile, sir. We'll go back, sir. Once the phone is connected, this is shortcut keys. That's it.
Okay.
This may.
Either we can access here.
That's
or
what.
we can-
Here you need not use. You need not. Only for this passenger they can have. That's it.
Okay.
Just have the key and the mobile, sir.